Hello, so welcome back to Easiest Way to Learn Programming. In this particular video, we'll be learning how to assign values to variables. So in our declaration of variable video, we were able to declare three variables, that is x, y, and first name. So to assign variables in Flogoidem, what we do is that we just click here and go to assignment operator. So just click on assignments and let's zoom it out a little bit. So you select the assignment operator and you double click on the assignment operator. So you realize that here we are having the variable here and the expression we want to assign to that variable. So you know we have a variable called x, we have another one called y, and first name. So first of all, let's assign x. So I'll type x here and say that the x is equals to 10. Now let's click OK. Now let me also right click here, go to assignments, and let me assign y to be 20 and click OK. Don't forget, we can bring this variable x here, we can bring it here, and we can bring the y to here, but we cannot bring this x up here, because the reason is I told you that programming language starts running from top to down. So immediately the language or the flow comes here, what happens is that the compiler or the program do not know anything called x, because we haven't informed the compiler that we'll be using something called x. So we have to declare the variable x before we assign it. That's what you have to remember. So let's go ahead and also assign the first name variable. So okay, I think I'm having some spellings error here, so let me correct it. First name equals to, because this one is string, always string. Note that anytime you want to enter for string, we put them in two quotes. So quotes, then let's say I am Kwame, like this. Then you click on OK. So that's how we assign to variables. So for example, now we have x here, and we have y here, we have first name, and we also have assign all of them. So let's go ahead and also create another variable called let's say z as integer and click OK. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so now let me do assignments here also. So what I want to do here is that I want to add this x and this y. I want to add them. So I can do something like, okay, so the z. So now what I'm doing is that I'm adding the x and y and saving the results inside the z. So let's go ahead and say z is equals to x plus y. So you realize that in this particular instance, we just said that x is equals to 10, but this time around we are saying that the z will be x plus y. So let's click OK. So let's go through it again. So what we are doing is that we have declared a variable here. Of course, I said that too. Before you can use any variable, you need to inform the compiler, or you need to inform the program that, okay, please, I'll be using something called X, so that the program language or the compiler will understand that create container for you to, for X, for you to use it. So here we have X, we assign X equals to 10. Here to we declare another variable called Y, and here we assign Y equals 20. Here we had a variable called first name, and we assign the first name to I am Palmy. And also lastly, we have a variable X, and we also declare that we have variable called Z, and we assign Z to be X plus Y. Okay, I hope you understand anything, and don't forget to comment if you don't understand anything from what I'm doing here. So on our next video, I'll be showing you how we can output this result for the user to use. And I think we have done about 3 or 4 videos, but we haven't output any information on the screen, or we haven't even run the application. So on our next video, we learn how to output or showing our information to the user. Thank you, and see you in our next video.